there are no fingerprints at all in the screen. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today it's all about the new accessory that I just got for my XPeng G6. It's a protective film from Disskin, and I will show you today everything about it, what's included, where I got it, and how to install and the benefits of it. So let's go for the video. If you remember, one of my very first videos in this channel was when I bought a couple of accessories for my XPeng, and one of those was a screen protector. Well, I did install it, I got it, I installed it, and it worked for a couple of days, but then I did remove it from my car. So why did I remove the screen protector that I got from AliExpress? Well, mainly because it is made of tempered glass, and that is useful for instance, cell phones, to protect the cell phone from scratching when they are in your pocket or if you drop them to the floor. But this is not what we need for cars. We do need some protection from scratches, but most importantly is fingerprint protection and also a little bit of a non-reflective material so that you can see the screen in any conditions. And that's why I did remove it and I got a new one. So guys, let me show you already how it is the screen without any screen protector. So I did already removed the previous one, and this is the screen. As you can see, some reflection here, and let me just move around. And this is how the screen looks like. And let me also do something here. Let me put screen off. And I don't know if you can see, but it's full of fingerprints. Can you see it? So in black, you can see how reflective it is. Okay, and this is how the screen looks like without any screen protector. Here it is, guys. I have received the protective film from Disskin at home. So let's open it and see how it is. So let's open this. Try not to make any mistake here. So opening here the box. Okay, let's open it. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So we have the protective screen, okay, from Disskin. And here is this the protective screen. So wait, let me check this so that I understand. Okay, so this is the film. Is it? Yeah. Oh, this is the film, and this is for the dash. And this is montage set. Okay, this is the material to mount the screens. Okay, very good. So I was thinking that inside was the protective screen, but no. So the protective screens are these ones, okay? As you can see here, this one is for the main screen, okay? And this one is for the dashboard. Very good, right? Okay, and this is for mounting. So let's see what we have here. So basically it's just some cleaning coats. Okay, so we have here some cleaning material. This is probably to wrap, okay, the cards. And we have also here liquid for cleaning. And probably we have instructions here. So let me grab the instructions because I am usually terrible with this. So first we need to clean the display with the cloth, okay? Then we need to apply the assembly fluid. Okay, this is an assembly fluid. Then when removing the film, spray the adhesive side with assembly fluid also. Align the screen protector. Use the squeegee card here around the squeegee. Wrap the microfiber cloth around. Okay, so I need to put these here like this, and then I just put it. Let's see also the video guide to see how it is, okay? And then dry the device and work surface. So guys, before installing the film, let's see where I got it and how you can also acquire one for your car. So here we are in the webpage of Disskin, and as you can see immediately, they have plenty of protective films for many manufacturers of car displays. They also do provide for smartphones and tablets, and they do have some other equipments available for you to purchase. So do guys pay a visit to Disskin webpage to find your protective film for your car model and manufacturer. Let's go here for XPeng so that you can see what we did acquired here. Let's go here for XPeng G6, but you have here the one that I did got. It's this one that has also the dashboard protective film included. So you have two models here. You have the G6 normal just for the main display, and then you have also with the dashboard possibility. So you have these two. Then you can of course select the surface. So if you want a clear surface, so just a protective screen, or if you want the matte version. So the matte version is the one that is anti-fingerprint. Okay, so as you can see, you have here, and then you have the how to install information in the web page. So you should check this video to see how it is then installed before doing it. So let's start first. Let's prepare everything. So here we have the screen. Let me just check already. It's going to be like this. Okay, so top and bottom. Okay, so it's going to be like this. Let me just put it here so that we don't make any mistake. Let's start by putting my screen in cleaning mode. Okay, cleaning mode. Let's use again the protective, the cloth here to clean our screen so that we don't have anything there. It's always a mess, these things, because there is always some things flying around and we think that it's cleaned and then it is not. But let's do this the best we can. Okay, seems good. Let's then apply the fluid. So fluid applied. Okay, and let's apply the fluid also, as it is stated. And now we just align and try to put it. So let's try this. So aligned here, looks okay. Let's just grab this one, put it like this, and let's start pushing it to the edges. Here, as you can see, the fluid is helping to put everything out. As you can see, looking good. Okay, I have here something. Okay. Okay, it's working better than usually I do this. Okay, so I'm happy. I just have here something. Okay, oh, it's done. Perfect. And now with this again, just cleaning the sides that had the fluid out. Okay, hold here. And that's it. We have the protective film here. So let me show you already the difference. As we did before, so now with the screen film installed, let's see the reflection. I do believe that it removes a lot of the reflection. Okay, it gives this matte finish. Okay, let me show again on the screen off so that you can see it better. It looks pretty good. It's a big difference between with or without. So I will install now here on the dashboard also. And that's it, guys. It is installed also on the dashboard, on the screen. And as you can see, very responsive still. So there is no change on the way that the protected film feels on the touch. Okay, so it feels very good. It's very nice. It does give a little bit of matte look to it. Again, it's very snappy. It works very well. So if you click, it will react immediately. And let's see, I am touching very much the screen and moving my hands here so that I can now show you guys how it looks like on the fingerprint magnet of the screen. So let's go again to screen cleaning. And as you can see, there are no fingerprints at all in the screen. Guys, amazing. I do like this solution a lot. So guys, this is it. I do believe that this is a great product. It is much better than the one that I had previously because it was a tempered glass that didn't change anything on the reflective and also on the fingerprint. So this one does the two things that I do believe it's more relevant for display in a car. So guys, if you do like the product, you can find more information on the description of this video. You can find the links for the XPeng and also for the Disskin webpage. And if you do buy any of these products, just let me know also in the comments what you feel, if you do also like it as much as I do. And that's it, guys. So thank you very much again for being here, and I see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.